Since early morning, hundreds of families from several barangays in San Mateo, Rizal have already been evacuated. Some of them live near the San Mateo Batasan Bridge. As of 5:30 p.m., the water level at the San Mateo Batasan Bridge has reached 23.74 meters, prompting forced evacuations in barangay nearest to the bridge. Among those evacuated are residents who live along the river. Their plea to the government is for assistance because almost none of their belongings were salvaged. Their houses are already submerged in flood waters.
Alam mo, pakita na yung kalagayan namin at mabigyan kami kahit konting tulong lang po.
Sana po matulungan po kami kahit po man lang sana po sa pagkain ngayong araw na to.
Nakakano na po yung bahay din. Puno na rin po. Ano po sana po magkano po yung bahay.
The local government continues to conduct rescue and relief operations led by the Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office for